Rheem Tankless Water Heaters use error codes to self-diagnose issues. Error code 76 indicates a communication problem between the unit and its remote control. This communication error can stem from several causes. These include a faulty remote control, a damaged printed circuit board, loose or damaged wiring connections, electrical issues like power surges, or magnetic field interference. The printed circuit board is the brain of your water heater, controlling communication between components. A cracked or damaged circuit board can disrupt communication pathways, leading to error code 76. Magnetic field interference can disrupt the low-voltage communication lines between the remote control and the main unit. To begin troubleshooting, first power cycle the unit by turning it off at the remote control, waiting a few minutes, and then turning it back on. Next, carefully inspect all wiring connections between the remote and the unit, ensuring they are secure and free from damage. Proper wiring connections are essential for communication between components. Look for loose connections, damaged insulation, or corroded terminals. If the problem persists after these basic steps, further investigation is needed to isolate the specific cause of the communication failure. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve error code 76, we need to perform more advanced diagnostic steps to isolate the problem. First, disconnect the remote control wires from the PCB and turn on a hot water tap. If the main burner runs, this indicates the PCB is working properly and the issue is with the remote control or wiring. Next, test the remote control directly by connecting it to the PCB using a jumper wire. This bypasses the normal wiring and helps determine if the remote control itself is functioning correctly. Ensure the unit receives a stable power supply. Power surges or electrical fluctuations can cause communication errors between components. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing error codes and ensuring your water heater's longevity. Let's cover the essential maintenance tasks. Annually, flush the system to remove mineral buildup, especially important in hard water areas. This prevents sediment accumulation that can interfere with proper operation. Regular filter cleaning is essential. Clean both the water filter and air intake filter to maintain proper water flow and prevent overheating issues. Have a professional service the unit annually for thorough inspection, cleaning, and testing of gas pressure and electrical connections. This ensures optimal performance and safety. If error code 76 persists after these troubleshooting steps and maintenance procedures, contact Rheem customer support or a qualified technician for professional assistance.